measurement. The first question that often comes in your mind: how far is your school from your home? At what time you reach at bus stop? Is your bag heavy? How much water your water bottle can hold? The answer to these questions is measurement. So children, we can measure things to find out their size or amount. In this lesson, you are going to learn why there is a need to measure things, the different things that you can measure, and the standard unit of measurement. Measuring something is known as measurement. As I already told you that we measure things to find out their size or amount. In early times, people used their hand or foot to measure length, but the length of the foot or hand changes from one person to another. So, to avoid confusion, we now use standard unit of measurement because it does not change when measured by different people at different times. Standard unit is a unit which always remains the same. Length tells us how long an object is. We measure the length using rulers or measuring tapes. The standard unit of length is meter. Smaller length are measured in centimeter and the longer length in kilometers. Weight tells us how heavy or light an object is. We measure weight with physical balance or electronic balance. The standard unit of weight is kilograms. We measure smaller weight in grams. Volume is the quantity or amount of substance that a vessel can hold. We measure volume with measuring cylinder. The standard unit of volume is liter. We measure smaller volumes in milliliters. Time. We tell time using a clock or watch. The standard unit of time is second. We also measure the time in minutes and hours. Temperature tells us how hot or cold a thing is. A hot thing has a higher temperature than a cold one. We measure temperature with a thermometer. Digital thermometers are also available nowadays. We measure temperature in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. So children, in this lesson you have learned that measurement is finding out size or amount of something. Length is a distance from one end of an object to another end. Weight is measure of how heavy or light an object is. Volume is the amount of substance that a vessel can hold. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold an object is.